I find volcanoes just really exciting. They're the most direct representation of what's happening inside the Earth, underneath us. They're forming how Earth looks and how other planets look. So studying volcanoes on Earth can also help us understand volcanism on other environments. Another reason is, of course, the society and the hazard for human beings that live near volcanoes and in general, because volcanoes sometimes impact the whole world. We're now close to the summit of Kilauea volcano, which is pretty much the most active volcano on Earth now in terms of how long it's been active and how much material has been continuously coming out of it. Usually it's not very dangerous to people because of the type of eruptions that are coming from Kilauea that are what's called an effusive eruption, where the lava is flowing on the ground, usually fairly slowly, so you get a pretty good warning in terms of evacuation. Once lava is being placed at the surface, it's staying there. So if it's cutting a road or it's destroying houses, it's destroying them for good. So the mini crater within the big caldera of Kilauea is called Halemaumau. And then within that crater, a new vent opened in 2008. There was an explosion and then a lava lake appeared. Lava lakes are very special. There are only 5 or 6 of them around the world. And they're exactly unique because of that balance that has to come between material coming in with cooling. So we're trying to find out how much we can see at the lake surface that can tell us about that flow within the magmatic conduit, how fast magma is flowing, where it's flowing, at what speed, and also what are the physical properties of that magma. So I'm looking now into the lake. It feels really incredible to just be here and look at it. We can feel the heat and we can smell the gas. I'm taking all of it in video, and then we can analyze that later when we go back to the office.
This is just from, I think, Friday. Not Friday, maybe Tuesday.
And that would be about 500 meters?
I think it was maybe 700.
700?
Yeah, from the marketplace to there.
Yeah. So it was extremely exciting because I've been working on data collected from that lake for the past year or two. And it was really incredibly exciting to actually go down there for myself and see it in my own eyes. I had to wear a respirator. It was quite a moment just to get close enough to actually look over the lip and finally see it for the first time. You can see it moving, and you can see how that kind of thin skin that develops at the surface of the lake breaks into little pieces, and every now and then there would be an event of spattering where there'd be like a mini fountain of lava. Camera that I brought, it's called a FLIR, or forward-looking infrared camera, and basically it collects the infrared radiation that comes out of the lake. So that lets me to see very clearly how the surface of the lake is moving. The flow pattern that we see in Halemaumau is somewhat different than flow patterns that we see in other lava lakes. So there's a question rising of why are the lakes behaving so differently, even though some of them are comparable size, for example. We definitely see a correlation between all these processes, and once we get a better understanding maybe of what's underneath, that can lead to better prediction maybe.